Finally releasing from the Disney Vault. Experience the most enchanting music and the most unforgettable characters under the sea.
Under the sea!
Brilliantly restored with enhanced picture and sound.
Yes!
Disney's celebrated classic, The Little Mermaid, like you've never seen it before. On 2-disc DVD October 3rd, only for a limited time.
What a soft shell I'm turning out.
Have you ever heard of a man turning into a dog?
Well, they all do eventually, don't they?
Shaggy, you're back!
This is a man who hates dogs. Thanks, guys.
Good night, sir.
And through a strange circumstance, you scared him!
Oh, he bit me.
He turns into a dog, and through being a dog, he learns to be a better human.
What's happening to me? I love you. We hooked up with these great actors. Jane Curtin is in this. Robert Downey Jr.
I am the chief scientist. I, me, mine! Ha!
No more growling.
Silence! Quiet!
I gotta go, guys.
Tim is funny all the time.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't play the music. You're in charge.
He can't help it.
I got you now. I'm not playing prison. I got it. I am good. Is there anyone who has not sniffed my butt?